Part 7 on the Indy 600. Farley. All right, well, we got Brad here tonight, and we're actually making a little bit of progress on the sled. I'm working on the radius rods, and we'll show you what I got going on with that in just a minute. And who knows? Maybe details will make it into this video by the time we're done filming. Well, look what's back in the shop. Yeah, that's the Indy 500 that Brad's Ultra motor came out of. I need some radius rods. These aren't bent. They are 1.5 inches longer per side, so that would widen my ski stance by 3 inches, or I could shorten them. So I'm going to rip into this, salvage those radius rods, and let's see how I'm feeling about it after that. Well, there we go. Top one broke right off. That's convenient. Bottom one, it's just spinning. It's getting kind of rounded. Nut came off the other side, but it's seized in the bushing. So great. A little bit more fun with these. All right, it's the next night, and I've been giving some thought about these radius rods, and I've decided I'm going to cut them down and get it to the stock length. They're pretty close. I haven't made a final decision, but they're 1.5 inches too long per side, so I'm either going to take off 1 inch or 1.5 inches off of them. Let me show you what I'm looking at. So on the lowers, which are pretty large diameter, and then they get swaged down, and they're swaged down to their final size to about where my finger is. So they're swaged down. You got to look at the end of the nut. They're swaged down about 2 inches. Now, you only need the thread diameter, which is 1/2 inch in steel, to be full strength. But I think what I'm actually going to do is just take 1 inch off of these. My front end might get 1/2 inch wider, but it shouldn't be bad. It should just work just fine. And it might even be less than that. Because when I adjust those rod ends in to get the camber set, I'll just make sure that they're adjusted all the way in. Radius rod bushings are fun. Yeah, it's that stuck. We beat on it. This punch is stuck in there. We might have to go back to the press to get this punch out. We're just going to turn it into a gooey ball of plastic and hope to God that the new bushings I order actually fit properly. Well, there you go. Brad helped me, and the radius rods are refurbed. Kind of looks like Brad's in jail. I don't know. But we got these things done. So life's good. That's the end of the work for the night. A little bit of beer will, help us digest these paint fumes properly, I think.
It's been a minute.
It's Thursday night, and look who showed up.
I'm back.
So Lonnie has been doing some personal stuff for a while.
Yeah.
So he doesn't even know where we are on the project.
Not anymore. No, it's been a minute.
Well, we're going to drink a bunch of beers tonight, but we're also going to put together the radius rod bushings.
Oh, yay.
Yeah, I can't start putting the radius rods in the sled or assembling the front suspension yet because I'm still waiting for the rod ends for the inner end. But we'll do a little bit of radius rod bushing assembly tonight and show Lonnie what's going on. Hopefully details will get over this weekend. I need his stamp of approval on cleanliness before I assemble anything.
Yeah. Right on.
All right, we'll bring you back when we're doing some work.
Oh, sorry, you ain't got that tight enough.
No, probably not. That chuck is pretty worn out.
Ouch.
Oh. Just broke it?
Those are some really tough rivets, man.
Holy shit, I better find a different bit.
You think?
We're in there drilling because we need to change out one of these tie rod boots. One of them's just tore the heck up. Ugh. Lonnie, you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You get 6 more tries.
I guess.
We got a package of drill bits.
Okay, we'll see if we can do it, man. I don't know. It's touch and go.
It is.
We have no guarantees, man. Come on, grab it. There we go.
All right,
Yeah, we're gonna have.
we're booted.
Oh, you got the boot on?
Yep, we got the boot on. We got almost the whole gang together.
Is this?
We got the 3 of us.
Is this the only boot we're doing?
That's the only boot we're doing. The other one's good.
The other one's
It's
on
Thursday. What's the date today? The 13th of
14th.
13th.
14th.
It's supposed to snow overnight already. I'm hoping we wake up to a white lawn. I don't know.
Damn it.
It's the 13th. So we're hoping to wake up on October 14th to a white lawn. That'd be a good
right?
sign, or at least it'd be fun to see.
Yeah. Right.
You break out some sleds.
Yeah.
Hey now.
All right.
She's ready to ride.
Yep. We're gonna hammer some bushings into the radius rods now.
There we go. Let's get her done.
All right. I said we were gonna pound some radius rod bushings. Here we go. Brad's gonna hold the bushing like this. Well, no.
Yeah.
No,
That's
we don't
it.
need to grease them yet. They probably just push in.
Oh, should I just push them in?
Yeah, just push them in.
One's done.
Just push them in. Hand me one too. But we do got to put the sleeve in it, and that's going to take a little.
Look at that grip.
All right, let's see if the sleeve just pushes in.
Now you got to grease that for sure.
I'm not greasing it. I'm going to drop it on the floor
Okay.
Farley.
because that's what I do.
This works.
All right, now
Farley
we'll try
licked it. All right, you hold it. Get your fingers right in there.
Yeah.
Okay. You can take your fingers out. Look at that. Brand new radius rod bushing. This is deluxe. These
Totally.
are an SPI. Says there's the label. Who knows? Who knows if that's right? I got them from Kirk.
Let's see if the second one goes in. Farley didn't lick it.
Oh yeah, they just go right in.
Oh, jeez.
It's easy.
All right, we're
It's
running out of
easy.
space on the word. Farley.
Okay.
The boys are over there comparing these skis, these old SLP ultralights, to these whatever these mountain sled skis are that I'm putting on, and Farley's in here helping us.
Oh.
Farley, which skis do you like better?
Which one do you like, Miss Farley?
Oh, Farley has pretty clearly chosen the mountain sled skis,
You like these right here? Yeah, that's right. Oh,
which is
I
good
agree.
because those skis Brad's holding are going on Brad's Ultra.
Yep, I agree.
Those are Brad's. Those are Brad's. The aluminum ones I have to give back to Chad. And that's why my sled's getting the plastic ones Lonnie's holding.
Yep, absolutely. The difference is this doesn't have carbides on it yet.
No, that makes it a bit lighter.
Those carbides don't weigh that much.
No.
Yeah.
Well, carbide's in a
Yeah,
spindle.
you're getting a workout.
When I get them,
them.
oh jeez, that's what she said.
I'm skiing.
When I
Here, hold that
when
one.
I get that one all decked out, we'll weigh it against Brad's skis.
There you go.
I'll get a spindle on it. We'll do an apples to apples
That'd
on
be a
them.
good one, actually.
Yeah.
Yeah.
October 14th here in Minnesota. Yep, white lawn. I'm happy. Almost got the whole gang together. Details miss Lonnie by 24 hours. He's here to give my sled an inspection and see if it's clean enough to go back together.
Oh, come on. We'll get in there with a scrub brush.
Yeah, I cleaned it already. We'll see what you think. Here's how far we're going to get tonight because Amazon didn't ship the 7/16 rod ends yet, or they did and they're delayed or whatever. This is how far we're getting on Friday night assembling the suspension. Yay.
We got time to clean.
We got time to clean. We got time for, where did my beer go? We got time for a beer if I could find my beer.
Yeah.
Oh, well. Busy doing this. This is super important that we get this done
Oh,
tonight,
yeah.
even though the upper rod ends are not here yet.
I guess we tapped them far enough.
All right, details is given at the look over.
Oh, come on.
What do you think?
So you said you took the pressure washer to this, huh?
The pressure washer and Purple Power.
Power, some elbow grease.
Some elbow grease. Up here, there was all kinds of rust up here, and I Scotch-Brighted it out of that
What's
in the
this?
nose cone. That looks like part of the rag I used to wipe it up. Maybe I need to... So you're saying I need to give it the air blow gun, or maybe a shop vac?
Shop vac. Nah, air blow sounds more fun.
Air blow? All right, we'll give it the air blow. But other than that,
She's clean.
we're pretty
Unless
good.
you're gonna repaint the black where there isn't, but we're not going to that depth on this.
That's hidden under the motor.
It's still, you know.
I'm not doing something that's hidden under the motor. Come on, I'm still me. No, it's all good. Look, I even got a painted jack shaft in it now. Isn't that nice?
There's even some purple on there.
That's where it said $10 because I got it at a swap meet. All right, well, we're going to close this video out because the mail lady brought some biscuits for Farley, but she didn't bring any Heim joints for those radius rods. So I'm stuck on the sled. Hey, at least the whole gang was here sometime throughout this video, so that's awesome. It was good to see everybody. And speaking of everybody, I want to say thank you to the patrons. Aaron Shriver, Michael Johnson, Matt DeFossi, Charles Myers, Alex Sherrill, Brandon Paraso, Dan Hosnute, Mike Jerish, Louis Brady, Jeff Eisert, and Brian Peters. Thanks, guys. And for everybody else, hit the subscribe button if you haven't yet. Go check out the Patreon page and leave me some comments. I like comments. You know, let me know what you do for Heim joints on these. That'd be good to know. I just did Amazon and didn't seem to work in my favor. So pray for snow.
I like that. That's a new one, isn't it?
No, it's been there for years.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
I don't remember seeing that one. I know the hams one was there.
Yeah, the hams. No, the hams one's newer than this one.